everybody. Today we will discuss the next topic, that is the photochemistry of organic compound. Photochemistry means any chemical reaction which is taking place in the presence of the light radiation. Normally we are using UV and visible radiation for photochemical reaction having the wavelength 200 to 800 nanometer. And in every photochemical reaction, there may be an organic compound which most of them are absorb the light radiations having the particular wavelength, and it undergo the excitation, and in the excited state it undergo the chemical reaction and converted to the product. Now we are moving into next topic, that is spin multiplicity. Spin multiplicity means it is the number of the possible orientation which is calculated according to the equation 2s plus 1, where s is the spin angular momentum corresponding to a given total spin quantum number for the same spatial electronic wave function. That is the sum of the electron spin quantum number of the electron which is present in that orbital. Then a state of singlet. We can divide the excitation. So see here, this is the excitation of a molecule in which the normally every organic molecule are exist in the ground state. So in the ground state, most of the electrons are paired. While we are absorbing the H nu, that is the radiation, some of the electrons are undergo the excitation to the higher energy state. So during the excitation, the spin of the electron may change or may not be changed. If there is no change in the spin of the electron, so we will get a singlet state. So see here, in the singlet state, there is no change in the spin of the electron. And whereas in the triplet state, see here, during the excitation, the spin of the electron is changed. So while we are comparing these two excited states, that is the singlet and the triplet, singlet state has lower energy than that of the triplet state, have lower energy than that of the singlet, and triplet state are more stable than singlet state. Due to it reduces the repulsion of the electron. Okay, now triplet state has longer lifetime because it have lower energy, and the lifetime is in the order of the 10 to the power minus 5 to 10 to the power minus 3 seconds than the singlet state. So in the triplet state, there is a longer time for doing the chemical reaction, and in the triplet state is paramagnetic and singlet state is diamagnetic in nature. So while we are comparing the singlet and triplet state, in the ground state both the electron are in the paired state. So the spin quantum number of the electron s is equal to 0. That means plus half plus minus half. So the s value is equal to 0. Whereas in the singlet excited state, one of the electron in the ground state and another one in the excited state. So there is no change in the spin of the electron. So again the s is equal to plus half plus minus half. That's equal to s is equal to 0. So 2s plus 1 is equal to 1 in the singlet state. Whereas in the triplet state, the spin of the electron is changed. So the spin quantum number s is equal to plus half, that's why this s is equal to 1. And if we are applying the spin quantum number in the triplet state, 2s, that is 2 into 1 plus 1, that's equal to 3. So in the triplet excited state, the spin quantum number, spin multiplicity is 3 and spin quantum number is 1. Whereas in the singlet excited state, the s is equal to 0 and the spin multiplicity 2s plus 1 is equal to 1. So this is about the photochemical reaction and spin multiplicity. Thank you.